Hey folks, it's Jay from Dumpster Diving Life. Well, thought I'd start something a little different, starting at Lowe's today. Usually they're the hardest to get to, but it looks like I may have lucked out today. Their dock door is open, but no delivery trucks, no smoking employees and whatnot. So let's take a look. Long strips of plywood. I could use the thicker plywood. The thicker the better. I'm refurbishing a school desk, and I think that would work perfectly. Let me try it. I do have an employee on a forklift coming towards me from the opposite direction. Let's see what happens. I may have to put this down. This is kind of a big chunk of plywood here. There's two fairly large pieces. I think I got it. So show you guys what I do. Yeah, the employee on the forklift is going the other way. So good for me. And this other piece of plywood looks even a little bit thicker. So I'll take it as well. I don't need near as big a piece for what I'm refurbishing the desk, but why not take both and see which one looks better after they're sanded. So, all right, I'm already starting to bore you guys with my woodworking talk. So I'll knock that off. Take another peek. Take another peek. Uh-oh, I'm thinking I see some of my wood. Holy cow, I think I do. I think I see a lot of it. See that right there? That's the pine wood I sell as craft and hobby wood. I'm gonna have to reach, so I'll see you in a second. Okay guys, well I got it all, and I got it quickly, as I have to, because back here it gets busy fast. So I'll show you real quick. This is probably one of the biggest hauls of my craft and arts and crafts lumber that I actually have found in a long time. So yeah, that's a really good find right there. Look at this. I thought there was just about this much. There was more under that and more under that. So yeah, really good find. It looks like to be a lumber day today. Hopefully we'll find something more interesting, at least to you guys. All right, I'll see you when I get there. Okay, well, we're off to a good start. I got some lumber for my desk, school desk I'm refurbishing, and I've got some more lumber to replenish the arts and crafts lumber that I sell. Now y'all know, I've been talking about it enough, and it's never there. So now you know. All right, we're at the mystery dumpster. And the mystery dumpster reveals no mysteries today. Bummer. Specs looks fairly empty. Half of one, 6 a dozen, half of one. How'd that go? There's a saying there that I'm missing. 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. Wow, there it is. Easier said than done, at least for me. All right. I'll pause it here and see you there. Okay, I have landed at PetSmart, excuse me. PetSmart. I was gonna bypass it. There's just so much I can get, so little. Well, there's a dog, look at there. There's some kind of toys right there, and a bunch of them. Holy cow. All right, let me put this down, because this is a big dumpster. Let me put the phone down, grab my grabber, see what I can get. I'll show you when I'm done. Okay guys, I got it all, I believe. There is still some under the dog food, cat food, goat food, whatever food there is under here. There's a lot of waste. I'm sure it's expired or whatever. They have their reasons, but it's a shame, but that's what they do. I see one more chew bone. Maybe I can get him. Yeah, my reach. A good reach. So didn't have to go back and get the grabber. All right, surprisingly, man. Just as I was saying, I was about to bypass this dumpster because I just haven't been finding a whole lot here. The occasional cut up pet bed, and that's about it these days. So went ahead and decided to give it a shot, and lo and behold, what do we have here? And I really don't know. I'm assuming this is a cat, a hanging cat scratch post. That's one out of, I've already lost track. 2 of those. Yeah, well, they shredded, I didn't see that, but they shredded the dinosaur. Little dinosaur guy here. He was buried in the pet food. Yeah, he's a little torn, not too bad, but also got some goo on him. That's mainly the dog food or the pet food. We'll leave him there for now. And then 2 or 3 of these really loud, really attention-getting hangers here. I don't know if they're for birds or for cats or what, but I have 2 or 3 of those. One. It's a different one here. It's like blocks. See the blocks. Also hangs. And here's one a little bit different. Yeah, but who is it for? What kind of creature is it for? I think it's for birds. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm sure someone in the viewers out there know. I'm sure one of you know. These bells definitely get attention that I wasn't trying to get. So I had to keep those kind of quiet. And another block one, very large blocks, and a hanger here. But what kind of creature? I'm just kind of curious. A good find at PetSmart. Probably one of the best finds to date. Neat little toys. My son has been wanting a parrot or macaw or something, so maybe that's a sign. I don't know. Okay, I'll see you at the next one. Okay, rolling up on the dirtiest dumpsters that I dive at. Right there, them 2. The usual suspects. But I keep coming back because they keep delivering. Empty as a drum, just not lately. And ooh, a lot of food. A lot of food. It's shared by a lot of businesses, including a restaurant, as you can see. So yeah, okay. Nothing today. Hey, that's Joann's Fabrics right there, and I'll see you when I get there. Okay, just roll up on Joann's and packaging material. Yay. Thought I saw something. Nope. Thought I saw something in the enclosure over here. Another dumpster. No dumpster. Just bundled up cardboard. Swing and miss on that one. All right. I'll see you at Aaron's. Okay. We have landed at Aaron's Furniture on a bright, beautiful day. 87 degrees. About 6:30 in the evening. On a May evening. Beautiful. Beautiful. Low humidity. This weather report brought to you by Jay at Dumpster Diving Live. Here we go. Doing me something good here. Doing something good here. Pretty nice wood on this pallet here, but not what I'm after. Not today. Anyhow. So I've taken my fair share of those pallets, but I have enough of it. Still haven't used it all. Okay, moving on. Recycle bin, but you never know. Watch for the staples. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about right there. That's a big one. Wear your gloves, folks. Wear your gloves. Oh, there we go. And nothing there. All right. That was the first stop. Not a bad little haul. Got some lumber from Lowe's and some really cool pet stuff from PetSmart. So Let's see what else we can find. I'll pause it here and I'll see you there. Hey folks, back. Well, I've had such good luck running my route backwards, starting from the last places that I usually hit. So I figured might as well go ahead and keep it up. See if it helps. Every little bit helps. And trash. I did donate those last 2 bags of clothes taken out of here. Very proud of that. Very happy I could do that. And let's see here. Kind of curious about the square bag here. I don't know. We'll see what's in the next one. Maybe I'll take a peek. Donut shop still doing a brisk business, or not, depending on your take. I see some squirt bottles down there, some cleaning bottles and whatnot, but I have plenty of those now these days. I have found enough of those to last a lifetime. So, okay. I'm curious enough. I'm going to put this down and get the grabber and see what's in this square looking box inside the bag. Alright folks, I could probably just tell you about it, but nothing like seeing it for yourself. It was a little bit more of a fight than I thought. I had to lean way back over there. I didn't want to jump in this one. It stinks and reeks of high heaven. So I reached over there with the cooler, with the grabber, and then finally grabbed it with my hand. Ripped the bag, got that open, then ripped the box open, the square box, and there you have it. Just more household garbage. And it reeks. Again, I could have just told you about it, but sometimes the proof is in the pudding. And maybe y'all can feel my pain on that one. That one kind of hurts. That reeks pretty bad. All that work for nothing. But that's the way the cookie crumbles. Okay, see you at the next. Okay, this is Dollar Tree number 2 on the route and company. Lots and lots of illegal dumping here. And I have found a few items. But lately I've been catching them on nothing but the empty day. Wing and a miss, empty the drum. And good old Dollar Tree always has something inside here. Mainly cardboard. Mainly cardboard. Oh, something back here are just grass clippings in a clear bag. Look kind of odd to me. And let's find out here. Just making sure. Look a little closer to the bottom. Nothing there, nothing there. Look on the edges. Sometimes find something there. And nothing there. Okay. On to the next. Alrighty. We have landed at one of the very first plazas that I ever dumpster dove at. So, haven't gotten much out of here yet. Lately, rather, I should say. But then again, you just never know. You just never know. There's something over there. I'll get to it here in a sec. A large appliance. I seriously doubt it's working. And a lot of packing material. This comes from the furniture store right next door to me. Right next to me. And yeah, and then a lot of dumpster, illegal dumping here. Big old microwave. I wonder if this glass plate could be used for anything at all. I wonder. I'm going to take it and find out. Including the, I don't know what you call this thing, the rotating base, whatever. Ours is cracked, so why not? Down here, can't tell, no. Whew, this one reeks. This one reeks, so I'm not going to be spending a whole lot more time here. I think I'll call this one a day. Wow, that's tough. A lot of household garbage. An illegal dump. They probably kept it in the house for like 3 weeks, it seems like, before they decided to find a place to put it. Whew. You know, the other alternative is to pay your trash bill. Pay your trash collector. So we'll put them right there and see if I can come up with something out of the box for that glass, and probably put that other little rotating base there under ours, because our little rotating base is broken. So backing up slowly. Most likely should have paused for this, but seeing how I'm already rolling, might as well keep going. It's just these two right here. Hopefully they're not empty either. We'll find out. And not empty, but definitely not much. This one here. Same thing, not empty, but again, not much at all. Another wooden pallet down there. But as I said, I've got more wood than I need at this point, at least that type of it. We'll hit the GameStop one here real fast. I think I've gotten 2 games out of this one. I think my children played one and ignored the other. Let's see what this one is. Already? No. This does remind me, I have gotten a lot of gift cards out of there. And I have never tried them. I've never called the number on it, or never taken the store to see if they had any value on them. And I must have a couple of dozen. So maybe it's worth it. I'll do that. I'll sit down and go through all those game cards I have gotten out of GameStop. I had forgotten all about that. And see, and if I get anything good out of it, I'll make a video of it for you. If not, you'll never hear from me again about it. That's just the way that rolls. Okay, we're gonna go the other way. Again, running my route backwards. I'll see you at the beginning. See you in a sec. Okay, I have arrived at my usual starting point. This will most likely be the ending point, at least this plaza, not this dumpster. So, a lot of yard clippings, a lot of trash, a lot of illegal dumping again. Bummer. Nothing to see here, folks. Let's move along. See you at the next one. Alrighty. We're now behind the old bells, the old closed bells. I see they clean the glass up. They toss that in there. They toss the old analog television in there, and nothing else. No reason to stick around. We've got other dumpsters to check. Let's head on down to Burt's. See you when I get there. Okay. No, I did not forget about the new one, the newest dumpster here in this plaza. It's between Bell's down there and Burt's here, but there was a gentleman out there smoking right next to it, so just time had to bypass it. All right, see, Burt's is a few hangers down there, way down there, under a massive amount of cardboard, so it's going to be a pass on this one. Parts of the day. I don't have unlimited time. It's getting close to supper time, and I need to kind of step it up a little bit. Okay, I'll see you at Dee Dee's. Alrighty. It's the same type of stuff that was here the last time. I don't know if I showed this or not. I got some boards. A lot of these, the ones that are remaining, have a lot of nails and staples on the other side, so I couldn't take those. I don't think I videotaped that last one. So, yeah, this is an empty box. Just to let you know, they're just dirty filters. I can see there, nothing down this way. And yeah, I just see another canister in there. I've been seeing a lot of those canisters. Got something interesting protruding out of one of those one of those Harbor Freight dumpsters. I'm betting, as I predicted, when this COVID really hit, It could be one of those tent stands that a lot of the stores used to put in front of their stores when they had the queues going, which some still do, so they keep the sun off of the customers. It looks similar, but I can't tell for sure. Might as well go take a peek, but it looks definitely broken up. Yes, I believe, yep, definitely a canopy of some type, a canopy frame of some type. It's definitely broken up right there, for sure. I can't see them other places. Bent really hard right there. Broken here. Yeah, too bad. Now, that begs the question, is the canopy in here? Is the canopy anywhere nearby? And is it cut up? Interesting. I wouldn't be surprised, being Harbor Freight, this was used as one of their parking lot sale tents. And the wind either got hold of it or it just got more use than it needed and finally gave up the ghost. But either way, it's a done deal. We'll pop over to this one here. More recycle. More, I wouldn't be surprised if that canopy or that tent is somewhere in here. One of these, or was. Maybe another diver came along and got it. Who knows? But yeah, when you see something like that, it's always good to keep in mind there might be something related. So yeah, there you go. And I believe that box is empty. Yes, it is. One more quick look into this one. This big box up here. Try to take a peek towards the back. That's where they like to toss a lot of stuff. And no. So maybe one of the metal scrappers come along and grab this big boy. They'll get something for it instead of him winding it up out in the landfill. That'd be good to see. Not seeing anything else. Okay, on to Dollar Tree and Big Lots. See you when I get there. Okay, here we are, Dollar Tree. I'll look, but I'm not going to touch. Look at this mess. It has already had a cardboard avalanche, so I'm not touching. Plus, there's more right there. Look at that. Broken glass. Just more and more. Big old bucket. Wouldn't be interested. I'm interested in that bucket, but it's on the dock, so I'm not touching it. I'm a dumpster diver, not a dock raider. So there's a difference. Okay, let's see what Big Lots got to hold for us. Okay, good old Big Lots. Here we go. I've gotten numerous items out of this one. Furniture, knickknacks, electronics, you name it, Big Lots has delivered. I can't tell you how many of those wireless radios I've gotten out of here, or wireless speakers now they call them. And they all work. Small, large. I still have one with a microphone, like a little, similar to a karaoke machine, but just a little sing-along machine for the children. They still use that to this day. We've had it for over a year. Just keep it charged and it works fine. So, okay, that's it. Now I've got to decide. Do I do one more or two more, or do I call it a day here? Tell you what, it is 7:05. I know this is another short one. Hadn't planned on making another short one. I'd like to go do one more, hit one more, but it is off my beaten path considerably. Tell you what, yes, we'll end it here. Okay, guys, you know the rules. You know the routine. Always wear your gloves. Be safe. Keep what you need. Sell what you must. And give what you can. Keep on diving.